what other game? I got Zelda. I got for it. Even though I
one.
still am a fan of the old Zelda for Nintendo.
Yeah. Just got the boxes, huh?
Sorry, we just unloaded all this stuff from my daughter's house, so
that's fine.
we haven't put it out yet.
We should help you. He's cool. How much is this guy?
$2. $1.
$1?
I don't know.
I'd do $1 on it, yeah. He's cool.
I think it does something, though. I don't remember what it was.
I don't know. You guys have video games?
No.
Some.
As far as I know, we don't. There might be some in these boxes, but I don't think so.
They'll turn up eventually, yeah. What is that?
Sorry. All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. You made $5. You made $1. No, other way around.
That's cool.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Doing well. Trying to figure out how it works.
Yeah, it seems like it should do something. I just. Oh, it shoots.
Oh my gosh, did I shoot you?
No, you didn't.
Oh my gosh.
You didn't
I'm
hit
so
him.
sorry. Welcome to my yard sale.
What is this from?
This is Power Rangers.
Ah, how much is that? Oh, his tail. That's how you do it. Yeah.
That's how it goes.
How much is he?
So that was a good Christmas present, and I think it was like pretty expensive. I'll give it to you for 10.
Oh.
8.
I'm in yard sale in Brainerd.
Oh, okay. I know. Like
I'd do 5 on it. No?
Are you gonna get that too?
I already paid for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No. Do you have any video games?
Got a bargain on the other one. I didn't know how much.
I just sold them.
Oh,
Did you?
both of them?
That's alright. Someone will probably pay 8 for it. That's alright, no biggie, no biggie. Alright, thank you. Oh, there's something over here too. Whoa.
Once I get it empty, yeah.
I got some bags.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm alright.
You got the swarm, huh?
Yeah, before we were really ready to go. Sit it right there.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how many cars were here. Hold up. How much are you looking for on this printer? Is that like a photo printer?
Do you know this printer? I think there's a book over
Yeah,
here.
it's a Canon.
How much were you looking for on that?
10.
10 bucks? It's very... Oh yeah, let me look at this one. I'm curious about it.
Unless you want to put all the nail polish, I'll do 5 for the bag.
You know how to take it apart? But I can take the last one.
Yeah, I'll give you the $5 when I come back.
All right, go ahead, buddy.
Hey, would you do 10 for the printer and the bread maker?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
She's buying the nail polish.
Okay.
You got change for 20?
Yeah, what are you doing?
10. Printer, bread maker?
Gotcha.
Gotta work on getting these clothes out.
You got any more video game stuff?
No, they
Just these little Disney Infinity
There was
boards?
something somewhere in a box.
There you go.
It's all gone.
Oh, you from last yard sale? You go through all that?
I don't know. I
They
barely could
swarmed.
get it out, and somebody
They swarmed, yeah. There's too many. The problem is there's too many video game collectors, and you put video game in the listing, so everyone's like, video games.
Well, and I have my prize collection is my 64.
I know, that's what I'm looking for. One day I'm gonna find one at a yard sale. Yeah.
And I've got.
If you go on eBay, they're like $200.
I know.
It's like I want one so bad,
And
but I'm
I've
just gonna
got,
wait. Someone's gonna want it gone.
Mario 64.
Do you have GoldenEye?
I don't have
GoldenEye was
on that one.
my game. Yeah.
I do have. Well, that was the first one that came out with first-person
Yep.
shooter, man.
Yeah, I mean that was it.
We used to when I was in the army. We used to.
Yeah.
Play
Same
through.
with. Yeah, I wasn't in the army, but when I was younger, it was just every day we'd play that game.
Oh man, that was go-to game.
Yeah.
And, what other game? I got Zelda. I got for it. Even though I still am a fan of the old Zelda for Nintendo.
Yeah. Yeah, but still.
But man, yeah, that was my prize.
Yeah.
It took me a while to even find it.
Yeah, they're hard to come by. Is this?
I actually bought it.
That's why it wasn't in the yard sale pile. Like, you don't
Well, you see, and now you know why.
Yeah, it's because we want it. That's why.
Anybody sees it that knows video gaming is gonna
Go crazy for it. Yep.
Somebody's already bought this TV stand.
These are
there.
$2 each.
Yeah. I have
Are they new? They never been used?
I have the machine. This is the machine it goes to.
I think my wife has one actually. It's $2 for the machine too. I might as well just get it so I make sure I have everything. So $6 for. Could you do 5 for all of it?
Yeah. I like your friend.
Yeah, it was only $1. All right, I'll have to come back for some of this.
You want a bag? Get you a bag.
I'm all right. My truck's right there.
Okay.
I'll come back for the printer and the bread machine.
All right.
The sport band.
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna work for mine. Wow, where'd you get all these new cosmetics?
I developed like allergies, so I can't use it.
Oh,
so
man.
I can't handle Bath and Body Works and all that stuff anymore. Like,
Yeah, I gotta use that like paraben-free stuff.
yeah, I don't want to have fragrance free because I would put like perfume on my wrist, and then my wrist would swell up. So
Oh,
I
wow.
can't handle it
Allergic.
anymore. Yeah.
Yeah. How much is this printer? Not that I need more printers, but.
That one right there, the cartridges in that's dried up.
Oh, really?
You just have to remove the
Yeah.
cartridges.
Yeah.
My daughter, it was bought for her, pretty much not even hardly used.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, a piece of paper in here.
yeah, because we were doing the
Oh,
That's
test.
the,
yeah, the test.
the test and stuff.
Yeah.
You're like blocking my.
Okay.
So what are you thinking? $3?
What?
The no ink discount?
They go for 5.
You go for 5?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do 5 on it.
10.
9,
8,
Back in change.
7.
5,
And 4.
4.
Okay, so 11.
Yes, sir.
That's what I.
I got your 5 on the table here.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
You have a good one. Good morning. Pretty good. How are you?
Good.
Oh, you got the big stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because you got it and never use it. You never use one.
That's because shopping is the fun part.
He's already not.
Alright guys, so I went to 4 yard sales in a cul-de-sac. I only bought at 2 of them. It was crazy crowded. It was really like early in the morning. It was overwhelming. People were running around. All the video games got swiped up. All the good stuff got swiped up. But I thought I still found some gems. The one of them, the first one I went to actually was like not even set up, but they had this little gorilla guy. And I remember seeing that he was worth some money. not too long ago, so I figured he probably still was. I picked him up. She said $2 and then instantly lowered her price to $1. And so I took it. And I actually already sold this little guy on eBay. Same day I listed him for 35 bucks plus shipping. And I think they paid 10 bucks shipping. So someone was willing to pay $45 for this. If you see it, grab it, especially if you can get it for $1. Sells really fast. Probably could have sold it for $5 more. Then I went next door and they had all these appliances and I went a little appliance crazy. I got this bread maker. Bread maker I tested and it works. Thank goodness. Because all this other stuff doesn't seem to work. This printer I can get it to feed, but I can't get it to print. Now he said it had no ink, but it's not even like on the display it says it has ink, but then when I print nothing comes out, like it's just a blank page. So I don't know. And this big Pixma thing, this big Ken Pixma, these are worth money if you can find them, especially brand new. They say, like, they're really weird looking for a printer. And they say Pixma on the top, and I just dropped some ink. Oh well. These go for like $150, $250 if they're new, $150 if they're used, but this one's not working. For some reason it won't feed paper at all, and the light flashes yellow, so I think it's just broken. I might look into it more. Now, that was pretty depressing. I didn't really want this. But it's $2, and you know I was buying the cartridges for it, so the lady said I should get them all, and so I just did it. So I paid $6 there. So basically, here's the deal: total spent on all of this stuff was 10 plus 5s, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. So it was not a home run like I thought it was, but you have to remember. Already sold this for 35 plus shipping, which means all this stuff is bonus money. My money is back in my account. It's in my PayPal because I sold this guy. So that's the cool thing about this. If you can get one item, it can kind of save you with some of the horrible stuff you buy. These are not horrible. These sell for about 20 bucks pretty often. I listed them. They're brand new. So 20 and 20. Should get 40 out of those. This bread maker goes for 40 plus shipping. So that should be another 40. So I should have 80 bucks here, and that will be profit. The plan with these is I might mess with them a little more, see if I can fix them, but this one, the Canon, sells for 40 parts only. So essentially you can sell it as a used, not working 4 parts for 40 bucks. So people will buy that. I can list it for 40 and I can ship it out, but it's gonna be a pain to ship because it's big, so I might try to spend the extra time fixing it so that I can actually get the 140 I wanted out of it. This one is only worth 40 to 50 working, so I might try a few more things, but it might end up being at my next yard sale, which I'm going to have in a couple weeks. Maybe I'll sell it for $5 and say, hey, I can't get this working. Someone will offer me 2. Whatever, I'll take it. Just get that gone. And then this guy, it's just gross. Look at that, it's like all yellow. I don't even know how to test it, but I don't think I want to sell it on eBay. I'll probably put it at my own yard sale, like this other one, for $5 and see if someone bites. So yeah, even though this sale wasn't a home run, this group of sales, I do think I will get 80 bucks plus out of it. 40 for the cartridges, 40 for the bread maker, and then maybe even a little more, 20 to 40 for parts and other stuff. So I should make 100 plus bucks, just right around 100 bucks. Was hoping for more, but again, for 6 minutes at the yard sale, a little time listing, it's a good profit.